Hey guys, just here. I'm gonna show a quick, well, hopefully a quick fix on a AC valve stem repair swap, whatever you want to call it. Got my 6.4 SRT Grand Cherokee high pressure valve is. I don't know if you can hear it. It'll make. Yeah, can't really hear it. But as you can see, it's leaking a little bit. You can actually see the bubbles bubbling up in there. So we're going to use this tool, found on Amazon, of course. I'll send a link in the description and everything. So we're just actually going to be doing this first try, see how it goes. Alright, so you got your couple different pieces here. This will be for your high side, your low side, your blue ones. They also have it for one of the 1, 2, 3, 4 on those newer cars. Supposedly it works with the R12 or R22 or whatever the older models are. And it comes with, come on, go back to the box. Comes with a bunch of different valves in here. So once we take out my old one, we'll see which one fits up on there and go from there. So, unscrew this, follow the directions and everything like that. Pop this guy on. It actually has a valve. You can't really see it in there, but this is what it is there. Alright, so, but keep this on here. Close this up. Use this fancy little thingamabob that apparently has an O-ring in it to keep the refrigerant coming out. See, so it doesn't go back anymore. Alright, nice and snug, closed, everything. Opens up. It's supposed to go like that. Did not. Alright, so I stopped doing the high side because I realized it was actually just a little loose. It wasn't needing a valve replacement, but the low side did. So where I'll just continue where I left off. So you'll attach this to this, the whole shebang. You'll insert this, you'll push it in. I'll show you. So you'll push it in, and then you'll start righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So righty-tighty, let it go out, and then you'll feel the pressure. It'll kick this back, and just like this, it'll go, as soon as you release some of the pressure in there, it'll start pushing back like that. Here, maybe I'll show you. Hold on. Oh, wait. Make sure that's good. Actually, I don't want to do it right now. Anyway, so, well, either way, you'll feel the pressure kick back. You'll just unscrew it. Takes you a couple times because you don't know it's unscrewed because the pressure is already there. So you'll just unscrew it. You'll close your valve. Ooh. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So, there we go. Loosen that. With your valve closed, this piece here closed, and then can't really see the valve being closed. Just a regular, what is that called? The ball valve. And then you'll feel the pressure release as soon as you take that piece off. If you wanted to double check, move back a little bit, and then just go like that. No air, no pressure. That means your valve is seated. Then you'll just pop this off like normal. Check for any leaks or anything like that. I did press down on it a little bit, so you'll see that little bit of green. I don't know if you can see that at all, but no air bubbles or anything. right before I replace this, there's a bunch of air bubbles. And then what you want to do is, you can double check it. Where'd I put it? Oh, you can double check. Get your refrigerant bottle here and watch that gauge. So what we'll do now is check it out, see how much refrigerant, if any, that we lost while installing the new valve, or even just checking to see if the valve, like my high side was just loose, that guy right there. So we'll do that now. Now that our vehicle is on, you'll want to make sure that your max AC, get in here, max AC is on. Preferably have the windows open so that way you can just easily see what the temperature is of. Oh, key fob's still out. All right. So for the refrigerant, AC Pro is my, oh wait, can't see it. AC Pro is my preferred go-to. I just want to insert it here. Till it clicks in. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt. I don't know why. Alright, so my can decided to just stop working, even though it was working 5 minutes ago. So what you'll do, you'll plug your can into your low pressure side, just like that, and then you'll want to keep it around 40 psi. Obviously it's not an accurate rating because it's not plugged in, but while with the car running max AC, then you'll press your trigger, hold it down for like 5-10 seconds, let go. Needle will go back to where you need it to be, and you want to keep it at your 40 psi. Any higher can screw up your AC. Any lower, you're obviously not charged enough. If it's still not working, then obviously there's different problems. Right? And that'll be your way to fix your valve stem and charge your AC.